Have a look at this for a few minutes and tell me what you think at the end when I come back with a surprise.
There's a war happening right now. It's a war between real people creating content and AI creating content. And so far, the AI is winning. On the other side, we have independent creators, maybe like you or I, who are fighting for the love of the game. Because we love to create. Because we want to share our knowledge or passions with the world. Because we want to entertain people. Because we want to make the world a slightly better place. It takes an average of 12 to 24 hours, sometimes many days, to produce one of my more complex videos. All for the love of the game. But AI can produce a video in seconds or minutes. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't need to eat or drink. It just produces video after video after video. There's been a huge decline in the amount of high-quality content being produced by real people. So what is a real person's advantage? Well, it's creativity and originality. That's what sets us apart from AI. ChatGPT says it would take years of training for an AI to learn the skills of a top 1% content creator. But that's not good enough anymore. People want their content now. They don't want to wait years. So here's my question to you. Will this be the demise of real people making the effort to create original, authentic videos? Will there be a time when it just doesn't matter because the AI is so good that it's indistinguishable from a real person? No, we're already seeing this in the film industry and the music industry. We're seeing it in the art industry. But what about the content industry? Are we fast coming to the end of it? What will it be like in 1 year's time or 2 years' time? I think that there will always be a market for high-quality content. People want to be entertained, they want to be informed, and they want to be inspired. And that's where real people can still add value. Yes, AI can produce a lot of content, but it can't replace the human touch. Can't replicate the creativity and originality that makes content truly great. Now, I'm not saying that real people don't use AI tools. Of course they do. Many creators are now using AI to their advantage or to make videos better. But don't ever forget the importance of what makes you human. That's your creativity, your originality, your ability to connect with people on an emotional level. That's what sets you apart from the AI. And that's what will ensure that you continue to thrive in the age of AI. So what can we do? Well, one thing we can do is to support each other. We can support each other by promoting each other's content, by sharing each other's work, by being each other's best fans. What can you do as a subscriber? Make sure that you hit subscribe and the all notifications bell to continue to see videos that we real humans make for you to watch for free.
Okay, so did you get the message with that? First of all, here's the surprise. That entire video was made using AI as an experiment. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm getting really tired of watching YouTubers, supposedly, with these videos that you can tell, or I can tell, are made with AI. You can usually tell by the voices. But bear this in mind, what's the AI going to be like in a year or two, if it isn't already, where you just enter your voice sample and they make a video fully sounding like you, the creator, or me, the creator. I'm noticing more and more and more these videos that are clearly made by AI. Usually you can pick up things either, as I said, by the voice, or sometimes facts that you know are just not right. Now, all I did in this experiment was enter in a basic story idea, and the AI program wrote it all itself. All I did, I deleted a paragraph here or there, or a line, and put in my own line, modified it a little bit. But essentially, that took me under an hour. Really, it could have taken me 10 minutes if I didn't care. I just set it and forget it, and I come back and the video's made. That would have taken me, you can imagine, months and months, full time, to go out and shoot some of those images. Now, I could have made it more realistic because there's a vast library of real footage, and I put a few of those in there, but the rest was AI generated images. So, my message to you is, if you value real human creators, not just myself but others, make sure you do at least subscribe. I know you've heard this a million times. And also, take a few moments to leave a comment, as well as liking and sharing to people you might think would be interested. because all of that helps the AI think, well, people are interested in this video, and they'll hopefully put it out there. And of course, if you really like the video, give it a thumbs up, and you can even buy me a coffee. Alright, let me know in your comments please what you think. Is the AI getting to the point where it's just no longer viable for people like us to create content? Cheers.